Hello students, welcome to RH Chemistry. Now I am going to discuss about Final Punch KCET 2020 Coordination Compounds last 7 years paper from 2012 to 2018. 2019 paper already I have solved in detail. The link is given in the description box that you can refer. The first question, if you see, which of the following is a negatively charged bidentate ligand? For this synopsis also the link is given in the description box. Detailed synopsis in 2 lectures I have recorded that video. So bidentate ligand negatively charged. Dimethyl glyoxymato, cyanide, ethylene diamine, acetato. See how we can tell the answer. We know that cyanide is monodentate and acetato is monodentate. This is didentate and this is didentate. Definitely we know that ethylene diamine is not a neutral. It is not a charged one. It is a neutral one. Correct? So CH2, NH2, CH2, NH2. It is a neutral one. Which means which one is left? That is dimethyl glyoxymato. The answer for this question is this. So for that, the structure if you want, remember. So C single bond C, double bond NO minus, double bond NO minus. So methyl group is here, methyl group is here. So dimethyl glyoxymato, we'll call it as. Second question. Secondary valency of platinum in tetraamine dichloride platinum 4 chloride is. Remember, secondary valency is nothing but coordination number. Secondary valency is nothing but coordination number. Then what is the structure of this? You can see platinum is given. Then tetraamine means CH3 4 times, dichloride or Cl2. So plus 4 oxidation state, which means chloride should be 2 here outside. Now you can see coordination number 4 plus 2, 6. So hence the answer for this is 6. So it is second question. In the third question you can see the atomic number of the cobalt is 27. The EAN of the cobalt in Na3CONO2 4 times Cl2 is. Very simple question. 2012 last question. All these 3. Fourth one also remember. So here EAN is equal to, what is the formula? EAN is equal to, so atomic number minus oxidation state plus 2 into coordination number. So atomic number they have given, right? So that is 27. 27 minus oxidation state of this is plus 3. Calculate that. Plus 3. Na is sodium plus. So cobalt is plus 3. So that minus 3 I will write. Plus 2 into coordination number is 6. So 6. So 12. So 24 plus 12, that is 36 is the answer. So the answer for this particular question is C. The fourth one, the ligand is Lewis acid, Lewis base, Bronsted acid, either Lewis acid or Lewis base. 2012 last question. Very simple. Ligand is the one which can donate a pair of electron. The substance which can donate a pair of electron is called as Lewis base. Lewis base. Hence the answer for the fourth question is B. Similarly, 2013, same similar type. A group of atoms can function as a ligand only when. Group of atom function as a ligand only when. Remember. So, see, it is a small molecule. It has an unshared electron pair. Negatively charged, positively charged. So remember, ligand only when it has a unshared electron pair. So the answer for this question is B. 2013 asked question. Then you will see 2014. A correct statement is. The correct statement is, remember this. In this particular case, they have given CONH3 2 plus is diamagnetic. So once you see this, definitely we will tell that yes, it is correct. But remember, here CO is in 2 plus oxidation state. Let us see whether it is possible or not. See, CO is in 2 plus oxidation state. Correct? So 2 plus oxidation state, I will write the orbitals like this. I will write the orbital like this. So 2 plus means, remember, D7 system. D7 system is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you can say NH3 is a strong ligand. Pairing take place whenever there is a opportunity, which means if there is a if it is required, it will pair, otherwise it will not pair. See, NH3 strong ligand, just imagine it will pair the electron. Just imagine it will pair the electron. If it pairs, remember this electron will come here, it will pair and this will come here. Which means how many orbitals left here? Only one d orbital left. Now tell me, 6 is the coordination number. Number of ligands are 6. 6 means, remember, always it is octahedral structure. Octahedral structure is possible only with the two hybridization, D2sp3 or sp3d2. sp3d2 or d2sp3. But here in this case, only one d is available. Hence, it will not pair the electron. It will take next s, next 3p, then next out of 5 2d. So sp3 D2 it is going to form. So sp3d2, but paramagnetic. Remember, it is paramagnetic. Hence, this is not the answer. If it is simple difference, 3 plus if it is, then it is diamagnetic, correct. For this complex we have seen in the theory exam also. So VBT we have explained, that you can refer. So NH36 3 plus if it is there, diamagnetic is correct. But 2 plus is there, paramagnetic. It is paramagnetic. Diamagnetic is wrong. Fine. Then MnBr4. B you can see Mn. MnBr4 2 minus is Mn2 plus. Mn2 plus means, remember, d5 electron. And it is weak ligand. Weak ligand means tetrahedral. So it will not pair up the electron. Hence it will take next s and next 3. Total 4 orbitals are required because Br4 weak ligand. So it will not pair up the electron. Hence, remember, the hybridization becomes sp3 tetrahedral. So this is the answer for this actually. This is the correct answer. This is linkage isomerism is wrong because there is no ambidentate ligand. Hence it is wrong. Inner orbital complex is wrong. I have shown this. NiNH36 times 2 plus. It is outer orbital complex, remember. Hence, MnBr4 2 minus is tetrahedral is the correct answer for this. So 2014 asked question. Then we will see 2015 asked another question. The complex ion having minimum delta naught CFSE. Minimum delta naught. Remember, as the strength of the ligand increases, delta naught increases. Right? So the order of strength of the ligand, remember, order of strength of the ligand, if you say, in this particular case, Cl is weaker, then H2O, then NH3, then Cn. Cn is stronger ligand. Minimum will be there for weaker ligand, hence Cl is weaker. Hence the answer for this question is D. 7th question, D, because weaker ligand, minimum CFSE. Maximum CFSE if it is asked, then the answer is C. But minimum is asked, so the answer is D in this case. Then 8th one, which of the following will be able to show geometrical isomerism? See, geometrical isomerism means, first of all, I told tetrahedral never exhibit. Hence, this is not the answer, this is not the answer. Square planar can exhibit, octahedral can exhibit. Another thing is A3B, when 3 ligands are of same type, remember, this will not exhibit geometrical isomerism because here we cannot say which is the similar side, opposite side trans. Remember, this is not possible, but this is possible. Remember, this is possible. On this, I will show you 2 questions. Remember, this will form 2 cis and 1 trans. How it will form 2 cis and 1 trans, I have explained in the previous video also, and in the next page also I am going to explain the same because it is also asked previous year, asked question once. In ABCD can show the geometrical isomerism. Hence, the answer for this question is D. 2 cis and 1 trans can be shown by this particular complex. Then 9th question. How many ions per molecule are produced in the solution when Mohr's salt is dissolved in excess of water? What is the formula of Mohr's salt? You have to remember. So that is FeSO4, NH4 twice SO4, 6H2O. When it is dissolved in water. How many ions are formed? They are asking, correct? So Fe forming Fe2 plus SO4 here, so SO4 2 minus plus NH4 2, so 2 NH4 plus 1 SO4, so 1 SO4 plus this is neutral molecule, this is not ion. They are asking how many moles of ions, remember, so 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1, so that is total 5 it is possible for this, right? 5 it is possible, hence the answer for this question is A, right? Yes. Number of isomers possible for the octahedral complex COCl to En NH3 twice is 2016 asked question. This is 2015 asked question. How many isomers are possible? So we'll write the isomer. See, isomers are possible. They are asking you how to think about all type of isomers. But in this case, ionization isomer is not possible. Linkage is not possible because ambidentate ligand is not there. And you can say hydrate is not possible. Water is not there. Coordination isomerism is not at all. Then left is geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism, that we will see. So geometrical isomerism is possible. How? See here. So in this particular case, I will draw it like this. So CO, this is En if I take Cl, Cl, NH3, NH3. Right? So then NH3, NH3 opposite, Cl here, and this is En. So this is, remember, trans with respect to Cl. This is a trans with respect to NH3. Now cis is possible, but this is cis is possible, right? This is trans with respect to Cl, trans with respect to NH3. But when I draw cis, remember, I can draw only cis for this, only one cis for this. That is CO, Cl, Cl, NH3, NH3, then it is En. Only one cis for this, remember. If I draw another also, what I have to do? This NH3, NH3, I have to write it here, Cl, Cl, I have to write it here. It is same only. So hence, this is the only cis possible for this. Now think about optical isomerism. This cannot show, this cannot show. This can show optical isomerism. It's mirror image. If you consider this as D, mirror image, if I write CO, Cl. So mirror image, if I draw like this, remember, so En it is here, and Cl is here, Cl is here, NH3 is here, and NH3 is here. Right? So it is optical isomerism is possible for this. Total how many? Four isomers are possible for this complex. So answer is D. 2016 asked question. Then 2016 another asked question. CO is stronger ligand than Cl minus because, very simple, CO is neutral. That is correct, but that is not the reason. CO has pi bond, poisonous. CO is more reactive. These two never be the reason. Right? The answer for this question is B. Remember, it is a pi bond. Hence, we can say that CO, which is the one which is CO pi donor ligand, which is pi donor ligand. So pi donor ligands are more stable. Hence, remember, metal carbonyls are more stable, stronger ligand because of pi bonds, pi donor ligand. So answer is B. 2016 asked question. Which of the following sequence is correct regarding the field strength? 2016 asked question. This is a fact. Remember, direct question it is actually. Fact, you have to remember the order. So if you remember the order, remember, CO is stronger, no doubt. Cn is next. Out of these two, which is stronger? Remember, F minus Cl minus are stronger than SCn minus. F minus Cl minus are stronger than SCn minus. Hence, answer for this particular question is A. 12th one, answer is A. Remember that. Then 13th, IUPAC nomenclature. Very simple. As per IUPAC norms, the name of the complex is COEN twice ONOCl. So, outside the coordination sphere, Cl is there. Right? See, chlorido. You'll see, don't see the option. Chlorido. Here nitro. Here En, ethylene diamine or ethane 1,2-diamine. So, first is C, alphabetical order. Chlorido. So, in all the case, it is chlorido. Chloro is there. Chloro is not correct. It is wrong. So, chlorido is correct. Correct? IUPAC norm. Previously, it was chloro, but now it is chlorido and ethane 1,2-diamine. Ethylene diamine is not IUPAC name. Hence, ethane 1,2-diamine is correct. Nitro O. Nitro O or nitrite O you can write. The oxygen is a linkage atom. So, hence it is nitro O you have to write. Cobalt 3 chloride. Hence, the correct answer for this particular question is A. Remember, remaining options are wrong. So, 13th question, A is the answer. And the 14th one, the coordination number and the oxidation state of the element. M in the complex. This complex is given. So what is the coordination number? See, En is didentate ligand, correct? C2O4 is also didentate ligand. So total 3 didentate ligands are there. Into 2 you have to do. Into 2. So coordination number. One didentate ligand can form 2 bonds. Coordination number means number of coordinate bond formed by the ligand. So En twice means 2 2s are 4. So here 1 2s are 2. So 2, 4 plus 2, 6. Out of this to one answer. Then oxidation state you calculate M you have to calculate, right? X. En is neutral, plus 0. C2O4 is minus 2, so minus 2. NO2 is minus 1, so minus 1 is equal to 0. So X is equal to what? In this case, X is equal to what? Plus 3. Hence 6 and 3 is the answer for this particular question. C is the answer. Then square planar complex of the type MAXBL shows following set of isomers. So already I have shown here in this case. Remember, MABCD 2 cis and 1 trans is possible. How it is possible, I will show you here. See, square planar complex, if it is given like this, MAXBL. How to write? See, you write this first. M is a square planar complex, they only told, right? So write that M 3 times like this. Right. Now, you keep one of the ligand fix. I will fix that A. I will fix that A. Then I will write X here, B here, L here. All these are monodentate ligand. Now in the second case, what we will do? We will interchange X to B, B to L, L to X. You take L to X place, X to B place, B to L place. A fixed. A is always fixed. So L here, X here, B here, A here. Now once again you change. A is fixed. B to L place, L to X place, X to B place. So B here, L here, and X here. Now only these three possibilities. If you want to write the fourth one also, not at all possible. You can try that. Now you can see how to see AX same side, right? AX same side, AX same side. So you take any two ligands constant. AX same side, cis. AX opposite side, trans. You can say, sir, I will take AL. Yes, fine, you take AL. AL same side, cis. AL opposite side, trans. Yes, fine, sir, I will take AB. AB opposite side, trans. AB same side, cis. In any case, remember, you are going to end up with 2 cis and 1 trans. No doubt in it. So hence the answer for this question is A. 16th, according to CFT, the ML bond in complex is metal to ligand bond in complex is 2017. It is also 2017. Remember CFT, one of the limitation of the CFT is, remember here, we will consider it as the bonding is purely ionic. One of the limitation of CFT is, we will consider it as point charges. Remember, andre purely ionic. So that is nothing but the answer here. The option is given purely ionic, purely covalent, purely coordinate, partially covalent. So the answer for this is purely ionic. That is 16th question. A is the answer. Then last two. 17th question. IUPAC name. 2018 asked question. Right? So 17th question. IUPAC name of this, remember. See, IUPAC name. Don't see the option. A start with amine, ClC, NO2N. Correct? Tetraamine. Tetraamine. In all the case, tetraamine is there. Chlorido. All the case, chlorido is there. NO2, nitrogen is donated, right? Nitrito-N you have to tell. Nitrito-N you have to tell. Or nitro you have to tell. Right? So nitrito-N is there in this. But here dinitro is given is in this. If it was given only nitro, then you could have tell this is also correct answer. But nitrito-N and cobalt 3 oxidation state calculate chloride. So the answer for this question is A. This is wrong, this is wrong, this is also wrong, because here nitrito, chlorido, nitrito is there, but it is N or O, it is not there. Here nitrito, cobalt 1 is there, 2 is there, wrong. Cobalt 3 correct, but nitro is correct, but dinitro is given, so it is wrong. Hence the answer for this question is A, remember, 17th. And the last one, 18th question, 2018 asked question, FeNO2 thrice Cl3 and FeONO thrice Cl3 shows. Very simple question, remember. So, once you see this, you can easily tell ambidentate ligand is present. Correct? Ambidentate ligand always shows linkage isomerism. Correct? So, ambidentate ligand always shows linkage isomerism. So, the answer for this question is A. Remember, very, very important. So, chapter wise, the coordination compound is very, very important chapter. So, if you have not seen the synopsis yet, so I have taken the synopsis in 2 lectures. Very, very important, very simple language I have explained. So, refer that. So, I have given the link in the description box. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like the video, share the video. Thank you. Have a nice day.